Khan. Good evening to you. I'll just wait a minute, Khan. Give me a few minutes. Okay. Ah, how are you tonight?
I'm fine.
Fine. Oh, okay. That is good to know that you are okay. Right. Are you ready to continue our lesson for this evening, Kat?
Yes.
Sure. Okay, my dear. So for tonight, you will be going to focus with your listening skills, right? Do you still remember what we had learned from our previous lesson? Do you remember what we talked about last time? Can?
Uh, uh, has,
Do you remember what we talked about last time, Can?
yes.
Okay, so what was it all about?
Um, about um
About?
S
Yes?
E S
Yeah,
E
very
S.
good. Okay, we talk about the different types of sound, right? With the T. Okay, so Kan. So let us just continue task 4. So again, you will be going to read the listening strategy 1, which underlined vowel sound in each group of words is different. Okay? Again,
Okay.
so which underlined vowel sound is in each group of words is different. You are going to listen and check. Okay? Can?
Okay.
So I want you
Okay.
before you will listen, I want you to read the listening strategy 1. Okay, will you please read it aloud first? Please read, Kan, in English.
Read the listening strategy one, which underline vowel sound each group of words is different. Listen and check.
Listen and check. Okay, now listening
Listen.
strategy 1. Please read it aloud. Listening 1 first. Again, read it
Uh,
aloud.
I school
No,
B two.
no, wait a minute. I said listening strategy 1. In English,
In English, you can always predict how a word sounds by looking at the spelling. Learning how words are pronounced will allow you to understand them when you hear them.
all right. Do you understand? Kan?
Yes,
Okay, so I will
yes.
be going to play the audio for 2 times, and you are going to choose the word which you think that sound is different from the 3. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So listen very carefully. Okay, so one more time.
Okay.
Okay, Kan, let's check your answers. Okay, what
I
were...
didn't hear it.
Huh? You didn't
I
hear it?
didn't hear it. Yes.
Anything? You didn't hear
Yes.
anything? Really?
Yes.
Oh no, why you didn't tell me? Wait a minute, let me stop this one. Why you didn't tell me that you didn't listen from the very beginning? You should tell
Okay.
me. All right, let me play it one more time and you choose your answer, okay? Because I thought a while ago
Okay.
you were listening because you didn't say anything.
Lesson 1C.
How about that? Can you listen it now?
Exercise
Uh,
5.
That one.
I
1. School.
You have a bad internet connection. Can you hear it or no?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I will play it from the very beginning, okay?
2. Look. Cool. 2. Grandson. Class. Father. Grandma. 3. Wife. China. Italy. Like. 4. Go. Sun. Photo. Hello. 5. Eat. Meet. Seat. Great. 6. University. Uncle. Mum. Hungry.
Okay, one more time, Kan.
Lesson 1C.
Yes.
Exercise 5. 1. School. 2. Look. Cool. 2. Grandson. Class. Father. Grandma. 3. Wife. China. Italy. Like. 4. Go. Sun. Photo. Hello. 5. Eat. Meet. Seat. Great. 6. University. Uncle. Mum. Hungry.
Okay. I-update ko, day. I-update. Okay, Kan, what's your answer for number 1? Which word has different sound from the 3 words?
A.
School? School. 2. Look cool. All right, let's see if your answer is correct. All right, dear, the correct answer there is look. Okay? When you try to hear these words, these are all long O sound. You listen to teacher. School, 2, then cool. The only word there different is look. It is a short O sound. Okay, what about for number 2?
A.
A? Okay, A. I will read again the word, okay? Let's see if you will stick to your answer after I read a word. So I will read letter A, grandson. Letter B, class. Letter C, father. Letter D, grandma. Okay, which is different? Look at the underlined letters, then identify.
D.
Letter D, grandma, mama. Okay, the correct answer there is grandson. Your answer is correct. Okay, it's letter A. Now for number 3. What's your answer?
C.
Letter C. Correct.
Yeah.
That's Italy. Very good. Number 4. What's your answer?
B.
Letter B. Okay, very good. That's correct. Number 5.
D.
Letter?
D.
Letter D.
Great.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, that is correct. What about for number 6?
A. University.
Again, Khan, this is a listening activity, which is strategy 2. Okay, so listen and repeat the words. Then which word in each pair do you hear first? Pay attention to the different vowel sounds. Okay, Khan, before you listen, please read the listening strategy 2 first. Khan, please look at the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, let's read it first.
Some words sound
Some
similar,
words, one
but
more time.
some words sound si
Similar.
similar,
Mm-hmm.
but have very different meanings.
Mm-mm.
In,
Able.
able
Mm.
to detect the small
Difference.
difference
Mm.
in
Pronunciation.
pronunciation
Mm-hmm.
will help you to understand them
Okay.
when you hear them.
Mm.
Use the context to help you too.
All right. So again, Kat, if you are already familiar with these words, okay, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good for you. All right. So again, I will play the audio for 2 times. Listen very carefully because these words have a matching sounds, but they have a different, little bit difference rather. Okay. So
Lesson
listen
1C.
and choose your
Exercise
answer
6.
wisely.
1.
Men, man.
2,
Cup, cap.
3,
Far, for.
4,
Wait, wet.
5,
Leave, live.
6,
March, match.
Okay. Again, Khan, please listen.
Lesson 1C,
yeah,
Exercise 6. 1,
Men, man.
2,
Cup, cap.
3,
Far, for.
4,
Wait, wet.
5,
Leave, live.
6,
March, match.
All right, Khan.
okay,
Okay, now let's repeat it first. Then tell me which word you hear first. Okay?
okay.
All right, so let's repeat one more time. Number 1. Let me hear
Um,
it. Yeah?
man, man,
Okay, correct. Number 2.
cow, cow,
Very good. Number 3.
far,
And then
for,
correct. Number 4.
wait, wait,
Very good. Number 5.
leave,
Hmm.
leave,
Very good. Okay, number 6.
march,
Mhm.
march.
March. Okay, very good. Okay, now Khan, you will be going to identify which word you hear first a while ago. Hey Khan, which word you hear? Is it man or man?
Man,
Man?
man,
Ah, no, from the audio a while ago, from the speaker a while ago. What word he say first?
man,
Man? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. That's correct. Okay, number 2. Cap or cup?
cap, yes,
Can the speaker said cup first. Okay, what about for number 3? You just guess it.
uh, far,
Far. Correct. Number 4.
mm, wait,
Wet. Okay. That's wrong, which is wait. And number 5,
uh, leave,
leave. Correct. And number 6,
march.
March. Very good. That is correct. Okay, now for task 6, you will be going to listen to Ryan and Joanna talking about housework. So, are the sentences true or false? Right? T or F, then correct the false ones. Okay, Khan, before you are going to listen, in order for you to understand the audio file, you are going to read first the sentence one by one from number 1 to 6, understand it, and then tell me once you are ready to listen to the audio. Okay, Khan? You muted.
Okay.
All right. So just tell me once you are ready. I want you to read the sentences silently. Your time starts now. Okay, Khan, are you ready?
Yes.
So again, I'm going to play the audio for 2 times. Listen very carefully.
Lesson 1C. Exercise 8.
Hold on
My
a minute.
parents are a bit angry with me.
Oh, why?
My bedroom is untidy.
Is it untidy?
Yes, I suppose so. But I can't tidy it every day. It's so unfair.
I share a bedroom with my sister Claire. She's a really tidy person. She tidies our bedroom.
Really? Lucky you. I tidy my bedroom every weekend. But I'm really busy on school days.
Oh dear, that is a bit unfair.
Yes. I do a lot of housework. I help my mum with the cooking, for example. What about you?
We share the housework in our family. My dad cooks dinner. My mum does the washing and cleans the house. I unload the dishwasher and I do the ironing too.
What about your brother?
He's got exams at the moment, so he sits in his bedroom and does homework. Normally, he sets the table and he goes to the supermarket too, with Dad.
I think I prefer housework to homework.
Me too. I'm happy I haven't got exams this year.
Okay, one more time. Khan, I'm going to play it again.
No.
Okay.
Lesson 1C. Exercise 8.
My parents are a bit angry with me.
Oh, why?
My bedroom is untidy.
Is it untidy?
Yes, I suppose so. But I can't tidy it every day. It's so unfair.
I share a bedroom with my sister Claire. She's a really tidy person. She tidies our bedroom.
Really? Lucky you. I tidy my bedroom every weekend. But I'm really busy on school days.
Oh dear, that is a bit unfair.
Yes. I do a lot of housework. I help my mum with the cooking, for example. What about you?
We share the housework in our family. My dad cooks dinner. My mum does the washing and cleans the house. I unload the dishwasher and I do the ironing too.
What about your brother?
He's got exams at the moment, so he sits in his bedroom and does homework. Normally, he sets the table and he goes to the supermarket too with Dad.
I think I prefer housework to homework.
Me too. I'm happy I haven't got exams this year.
Okay, now do you have your answers for the numbers 1 until 6? Kan?
True.
Okay, one more time. Do not answer directly. Read the sentence first and then tell me your answer why it is true or false. Okay?
Okay.
All right, number 1.
One, two.
True. No, I said read the sentence first, then tell me your answer afterwards. Okay?
Okay.
Number 1, read.
Ryan thinks that his bedroom is tidy. True.
Okay, that is false. It is not. Okay? His room is not tidy. He only thinks about that his bedroom is tidy. Okay, Kan?
Okay.
Number 2.
Number two is true. Joanna
Joanna.
tidies
Joanna.
tidies her bedroom. True.
Okay, that's another false. He doesn't tidied her bedroom. Okay, Kan? So later I am going to
Okay.
show you why it is false. Now for number 3, read the sentence. Ryan.
Husband got time to tidy his bedroom every day.
Every day. Okay, true or false?
Mm, uh, true.
Very good. Okay. So you can refer that from sentence number 1 because Ryan thinks his bedroom is tidy and that's false. So it means the statement or sentence number 3 is true. Okay, number 4,
Uh, Joanna family says the housework.
housework. Okay, Joanna's family shares the
True.
housework. That is true. Correct. Okay, number 5.
Joanna and Ryan like housework more than homework is true.
Okay, correct. Number 6.
Joanna has got exam at the moment.
True or
False.
false? All right, that is correct. Okay, very good, Kan. You got the passing scores. Okay, I mean score, which you got only 2 mistakes out of 6. So this is the tape script, Kan. Okay. So I suppose so, but I can't tidy it every day. So that's why it makes it false for number 1. Okay, now for task 7, Kan, you are going to read these sentences from the conversation in task 6. Then how are the red sounds pronounced? Listen and check. Okay, Kan?
Okay.
Okay. Again, how are the red sounds pronounced? Listen and check. Okay, ready? Number 1, read it aloud.
I
Yes.
tidy my bedroom.
All right. How does it sound? How does the sound of The first red letter, the second red letter, and the third red letter. How does it sounds?
Tidy.
No, how is the sound? A, e, o, u, or I? How does it sounds?
E.
E? Are you sure? I tidy my.
I.
Okay, very good. Okay, so it sounds I. Okay, correct. So that's the phonemic letter. It's I. Now for number 2.
Mom.
Oh,
Does.
my again.
My mom does the washing.
Yes.
Does the washing.
All right. So what is the sound of mom and does?
Mm,
So how does the sound of it?
um,
From the phonemic letters. From the phonemic letters. Like for example, the phonemic letters have I, long U, short U sound, A or schwa. So what's the sound of this? A or A?
ah,
A. Yes, it is. That is a sound, which is the long A. Okay? Very. Now, what about for the third sentence? Read it aloud.
he's got it best at the moment. Ah,
Okay. A sound. Huh? Wait a minute. Let me read it aloud. So he's got exams at the moment. So what do you think? It's A or A?
ah,
That is
ah,
A. That's A. He's got exams. A. Exams at the moment. That's A sound or schwa. Okay? Can?
okay,
Oh yeah. Okay, the last sentence. Thank you,
okay.
Siru.
He goes to the supermarket
Yeah,
too.
supermarket too. Short U or long U?
Mm,
Supermarket too.
um, oh, shut. Oh,
That is short,
oh, shut,
short,
shut.
short. All right. That is long U, kan. Supermarket too. When you say short U, you are going to say look. That is a short U sound, okay? Look
Okay.
and cook. That's a short U sound. All right, now for task 8, let's have a speaking activity. So talk about housework in your home and then use phrases below. All right, Kan, talk about housework in your home. Do you clean the
Talk
house?
about
Yes.
clean the house, cook dinner, do the ironing,
Mm-hmm.
do the washing, go to the supermarket,
Mm-hmm.
lunch, unload. the dishwasher, set the table, tidy my bedroom, wash the dishes.
Yeah, wash the dishes. So what housework activities you can do at home?
Um, um, or
Okay, can like for example, me, okay, like for example,
okay.
here at home.
I
Yeah,
uh, I clean the house
you
at
clean the
home.
house. What
At
else?
home.
Yeah, aside from
Uh,
cleaning the house, what else you can do or you
I
do at
cooking
home?
dinner.
You can cook?
Yes.
Really? So what you can
Um. Cake.
cake?
Yes.
You can bake? Who teach you how to bake cake? Can?
Yes.
No, who teach you how to bake cake? Who teach you?
Mm, um,
Who?
me. Me.
You? Not your mother, not your sister, or you didn't study, you don't go to school to learn? Again.
Mm,
Again, teacher will be going
I
to yeah?
I watching video.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes.
wow. Do you, I mean, you really like baking?
Yes.
Wow, amazing. So you just learned how to bake by watching YouTube, kan?
Mm, um. Ti Tiramisu.
Tiramisu?
Yes.
Ah, yeah, I knew that because it was trending I think last month, or it was started last year. It was very trending dessert. So you know how to make tiramisu.
Um.
Tiramisu.
Younger. Um. Younger. Um.
What else?
Cake.
Cake. Okay. So
Cookies.
cookies. Oh, you really love baking. You enjoyed baking. Okay, Kan. So that would be all for that lesson. Let us just move on to letter D. So for this part, it will be going to focus with your reading comprehension skill. Are you ready to squeeze your brain? Kan?
Yes, I read.
Wow, I love the energy. Okay, so for this time, Kan, you are going to read about the sibling rivalry. Okay? So I can
Okay.
understand about brothers and sisters. Now, tell me, before I am going to proceed to this topic, before I'm going to dig into this topic, tell me what you have understand about the title, sibling rivalry. What does it mean?
Um, Mm, um,
Okay, Kan, do you have an idea or no?
no.
No. Okay, sibling, that means since last week we were talking about family members and family terms and vocabulary, right? Do you remember in
Yes.
our first lesson? Yes. So siblings, that means it's your brother or it's your sister. Okay?
Okay.
Rivalry, okay, rivalry, it means you are having like a competition. Do you know what a competition? Like a contest,
Mm,
okay? Like
okay.
contest, rivalry. Okay, but in this rivalry, we still don't know if it is a good rivalry or not. Okay? We don't know yet. So that's the meaning of
Okay.
sibling rivalry. It's like a competition between the two of them. Okay, so let's go. Before we will start, let us learn some vocabulary words first. Okay, let's go. Read number one. I mean, the first word.
Argue.
Can, how do you read this word?
Okay.
Argue. Argue.
Okay.
Yes, what does it mean?
Mm, to speak angrily to
Somebody
because somebody
disagree?
because you disagree with them.
All right. Do you understand what is argue means? Can?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now the next word is
Sibling.
Siblings.
okay, what does it mean? Okay.
A
What?
brother or sister.
Okay, next word is next word.
Relationship.
Relationship.
Okay, what does it mean? It
The
means
way in which a person is related to somebody else in a family.
all right. So that's it. Do you understand what is relationship means? Can? Clear?
Mm,
Like for example, relationship means friend, mother, father, sister, okay? You have
okay.
connection. So that means if you have a connection, that means you have a relationship. Okay? Can?
Okay.
Yes. All right. So since it's already time, Can, let us just continue the rest of the vocabulary words next time or the day after tomorrow. Okay, Can?
Okay.
All right then. So, do you have any questions?
No.
No question? Violent reaction.
No.
Loading. All right then. So that was the all for tonight. Thank you so much for coming. I see you again on Saturday evening. Goodbye, Kan. Good night.
Teacher.
Goodbye.